Hello, good morning, or good afternoon, teacher. This is Edwin Ataren, and I'm going to talk about my own perspective about certain topics that were about the assignment. So the first one was learners, and according to the chapter we read, there are like some explications about how we as teachers expect students to be. Some of them are, for example, resisted, receptacles, raw material, clients, partner explorers, individual explorers, sorry, and democratic explorers. And I think one of the most important ones are individual explorers, because if they want to explore by themselves, they will discover some things related to the language by their own. So it means that they are well motivated and they have good motivation, so they can explore things by themselves and they can learn the language and can be even become autonomous. So that's one positive part. And another part that I would like to mention is the effective climate, which in this case is one of the top parts, because having a effective climate, the students will develop in a comfortable way. They would actually enjoy learning. They would feel free to express themselves, to express doubts, to make questions, to practice, just if they have a effective climate in the classroom. And another point that I would like to mention is discipline. But I would like to mention that discipline goes beyond telling students to sit down and to be quiet. I mean, discipline, like in my perspective, involves some other things. I mean, it's not just telling the students to sit down. I mean, we can even apply an approach to make students be quiet or be interested in the topic, because if they are interested in it, in the topic, they there's no time for students to be misbehaving. But I really consider myself that it goes beyond telling students to sit down. I mean, to apply different techniques to make students feel comfortable in the classroom, so there won't be enough time to misbehave in the class. And feedback. And in the previous activity, I mentioned something related to feedback, that we as teachers should be careful about the way we give feedback, because we can encourage students or we can even discourage students. So we have to be very careful, and we have to be giving, or we should give students academic feedback, but also motivational feedback, so a student can feel comfortable. And if a student feel motivated, that will be it would result in a very positive way, and there will be like a successful part, which is learning and develop a second language, in this case English. Thank you very much.